I'm Cal. I'm filling in for Derek with your update videos, and the difference in the trailer that we have now since you've seen the last video will be the back wall of the trailer. It was empty before, and now we have the rear panels up and the back post. Now we're going to take a look on the inside of the trailer and see the differences from the inside. So as you can see from the inside, we've got the rest of the floor up now. So there is from the center of the trailer is where it used to be up to the end, and then that's where our ramp will come down and will end just about here at the end of the door and extend all the way up to the edge of the floor here. And then on the inside of the wall here, it gets fastened all the way up on the inside here, and then there's a small skinnier panel that also gets fastened all the way up. And the last things that will go on the wall are a couple pieces of flat bar, one along the very bottom here, and then one along the very top of the trailer and the posts and panels, connected to the rear header tube at the top, and that will get fastened and welded on both. And that concludes this week's update of the changes in our trailer. So stay tuned for next week's update, and I will see you then.